Good morning, student. So, in previous class, we solved some question, and last one we arranged the given rational number in a ascending order. Now the next question is you have to arrange the following rational number in a descending order. Now that means we have to start with the biggest number and move towards the smallest number. That will be a descending order. If we go by the book, you can change all the mixed type rational number into the normal rational number and then equalize all the denominator, and then you can arrange them in a proper order. But we talk about another method. Just talk about like just imagine there is a number line. Okay, there will be a 0, there will be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and more one number will be there. Goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. And here we can write 1, 2, -3. You have to just imagine, no need to draw that number line. Suppose first of all we will talk about 5 and 1/4. Where it will be you can mark on the number line. First of all you have to complete the 5 part, and then you have to mark the 1/4. So 5 and 1/4, that means at least it will be between 5 and 6, because you have to first complete the 5 part, and that means after that you have to divide into 4 parts, and out of 4 you have to take only 1. Okay, so that means the number will be between 5 and 6. So suppose here is the number 5 and 1/4. Next number 0. So here is 0. Next one 16 and 1/4. That means first of all you have to complete the 16 part. So if you start from a 0 in the right side, so here is a 16 and 1/4. Just imagine it is a here. Next one is 16 minus 6/13. That means it will be left of 0. There is no number are given prior of minus 6/3. That means it is a less than 1. So you have to divide. It is 0 and it is 1. You have to divide into 13 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. Now you have, out of this you have to take only 6 parts. 3 and 3, 6. Okay. So that will be a minus 6/13. But left of 0. You can imagine it is just here. Okay. Minus 6/13. And last one is 3 and 2/8. First of all you complete 3 part, and after that 2/8. Just imagine it is a between 3 and 4. So 3 and 2/8. Okay. So minus 6/13 is left of 0. After that 0. After that you will get a 3. After that 5, and after that 16. If you just imagine 5, 16, 3, 0, then you can find your answer. So what will be the correct order? So ascending order. That means first of all you have to write the biggest number. Which is the biggest number? 16. So 16 and 1/4. Less than 16, it will be a 5 and 1/4. 5 and 1/4. That's done. It is done. After that 3 and 2/8. After that 0, and last one is a negative number. Minus 6/13. Now you have to put a correct sign. This is the greatest number. It is greater than this one. This is greater than 0, and that is the smallest number. So that is your correct order. Okay. So there is a smallest, that was the last largest, and these are the in between number. So that is the correct descending order of the given number. Same like this you can find another answer. Okay. Now, so next question is find the 2 consecutive rational number. तो 2 रेशनल नंबर कॉन्जुगेटिव जो एक के बाद एक आते हैं, फाइंड आउट करने हैं. रेशनल नंबर the rational number between line. I think I missed something. So here we are following. So to find the two consecutive rational number, the following rational number, it means this one between line. So you have to find the two rational number where the 31/6 exists, यानी दो ऐसे रेशनल नंबर निकालने हैं कॉन्जुगेटिव जिनके बीच में 31/6 आता है. ओके, so first of all you can find the mixed type rational number. So if you divide, you will get, you can divide 31/6 5 times, you will get 30, remainder is 0. Start from here and come here. 5, remainder 1, and it is 6. So it is equal to 5 and 1/6. Okay. Now if we talk about, just for example, a number line. Okay. I just start with the, suppose I start with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I zoom this part. You have to make all part equal, and it is 6. Okay, because I have to draw the line. So first of all, you complete the 5 part. After that, you have to divide into 6 part. That you will draw the 5 line. So here the 5 lines: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 lines. Now out of 5, you have to take only 1. So this is your 5 and 1/6. So now the two number in between the 5 and 1/6 lie this one and this one, and इसके just left का और just इसके right का. So it is 5 and it is 5 and it is 1/6. So it will be a 2/6. Okay. If you want to write in form of rational number, is a given 5/6. So it will be a 30/6. So if you 30/6, you will get a 5. Here if you want to change, 5 is a 30, 30 and 2, 32/6. Or in simple you can write, you have to just subtract, you have to write a what we call it, predecessor and a successor. It is given 31/6. So predecessor of 31 will be 30 and successor of 31 is 32, and same as it is 6 and 6. So here you can see you are getting the same answer, 30/6 and 20/6. Okay, so the answer is 30/6 and 32/6. In between the 31/6 is lie. Okay, if we talk about here in simple, it is given 111/8. So predecessor of 111 we will get 110/8, and next one 112/8. If you go by this method, again you will get the same answer. Okay, so these are the few questions. 2 or 3 more are remaining. You have to solve yourself. So next question, question number 7 and last question of this exercise. After that we will move to the next chapter. Question number 7. Which of the following statements are true? So there are only 2 statements are given. So first one, a rational number 2/3. The rational number given is 2/3 lies to the right of a 0. ये जो rational number 2/3 है वो right of 0 होता है on the number line. Suppose we talk about the number line. This is the number line. Okay. Suppose here is 0. It is 1. It is 2, and so on. You can write many more number. Okay. If you want to represent a 2/3, it is not a negative number. That means it will be a right of 0. Okay. So it is a right of 0. There is no complete number is given here. That means it is a between 0 and 1. It is 1. It is 2. So you have to divide the first part into 3 parts. So 1 and 2. Now these 3 parts, out of 3 you have to take only 2. So 1 and 2. So here will be your 2/3. So the statement is given, the rational number 2/3 lies to the right of 0 on a number line. तो क्या 2/3 राइट ऑफ 0 है नंबर लाइन पर? 2/3 राइट ऑफ 0 है या नहीं है? यस, इट इज अ राइट ऑफ 0. सो योर आंसर इज, इट इज ट्रू. ओके, और नेक्स्ट वन, द रेशनल नंबर -12/5 and 7/-31 are on the opposite side of the 0 on a number line. That means These are the two rational number are given. 12 by 5, minus 12 by 5 and 7 by minus 31. These both are the opposite side of 0. That means one is right of 0, then second is the left of 0. Okay, let's check. We already discussed either the sign of negative is given in numerator or denominator. The number is always remain negative. Okay, so if we talk about the rational number, let's take is a number line. Okay, is it a 0? We are not pointing out the 1, 2, 3 here. So where will be a minus 12 by 5? Definitely it will be a left of 0. So these are the negative numbers. Suppose here 12 by 5. Okay, it is a minus 12 by 5. Next one, minus 7 by minus 31. It is again negative number. So where will be it will be here? Again it will be a left side. So we can consider as a 7 by minus 31. They both are in the left of 0. No one is right of 0. But it is given that they are on the opposite side. That means one is right, then second is the opposite side. So both are on the same side. So it will be a false. Okay. So with that, your chapter is over. Still the 3 questions are remaining. Or whatever the question I didn't solve on the board, you have to solve yourself in your notebook and send me the picture. I will check. So do it fast. Thanks for today. Stay healthy. Keep a smile.